in. Exhale, right leg comes forward. Good, we're holding. Just explore what you're feeling in the movement. Right knee going forward, left leg going back. Back heel spins down, lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. Breathing into that right side of your rib cage, left side of your rib cage, pulling back. Nice job. Low twisted lunge. Left hand comes down, spin the back heel up. Pause and hold. Right knee going forward, left leg going back. Back heel comes down, lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. Open up that right side of the rib cage. Now we're going to come into a half moon. So if you want to grab your block in that right hand, you can, or you can hover. We're going to start to take off over the right leg. We're not pushing with the back, but lifting up with the right. Left hand comes to your hip. Maybe you hold and stay here. Maybe you peel and lift that left leg up. Stacking shoulders, stacking hips. We're